How can I eat healthy on a really tight budget? Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Cheney, and I'm one half of a husband and wife team, and we're dedicated to helping you reclaim your physical and financial health, and I specialize on the physical side. And so today's question we got in today is all about how to eat healthy on a tight budget. So let's go ahead and get into the question. So can you please give me some advice, recipes for one person that are really healthy and are cheap? I'm so worried because my food stamps renewal won't go through until next month, and I really need help in this department, and I don't live by a bulk grocery store, and most farmers markets in my area will not take food stamps. Thanks so much. So this is a really good one, and I understand like being on a tight budget. Like when me and Cece first left the country, you know, we sold everything, and most people think like, oh, you sold your house, you sold all your stuff, so you got all this money coming in. Like, we was broke. And it wasn't funny while we were going through it, but, you know, trying to transition to eat healthy and be healthier, and the finances aren't that great. You know, it seems like it's tough, but I'm gonna be honest with you, you actually have an advantage to people who do have more money coming in, because there's a lot of things that you're gonna be getting that's gonna cut off your from eating that's not probably the best things for you. And so that's one of the things that we learned. So when we didn't have as much money coming in, it made us tighten up and really understand how to eat healthy. But it also showed it's not expensive eating healthy at all. Like when you really start seeing what you're getting as far as the results, you're not going to the doctor anymore. You don't need as much prescription pills, all that money you're saving there. Plus you're not spending all this money out on going out to eat and things like that. You start saving more money. So what I did for you, I went ahead and I did some research. I went on Walmart.com today. I'm not an affiliate of Walmart. I don't get paid through them. I don't make any money off of them. I just know this is where most people have access to Walmart. So I know it was an easy store that most of you can go to without any problems. And so let's get into it. So I did a budget of $50. So 20-pound bag of rice is $8.48. Now the good thing about this, a 20-pound bag of rice is most likely going to last you all month long. So that's just a one-time payment of $8.48. 10-pound bag of potatoes is $6. So this is really good because it gives you a little versatility. If you're tired of rice, you have another carbohydrate to go to, which is potatoes. 10-pound bag of carrots, $4.77. Now you may be saying like, I can't eat 10 pounds of carrots. Just wait till the end of the video. I'm gonna explain how to make this stretch so you're not spending a whole lot of money and wasting food at the same time. 8-pound bag of pinto beans dried, $5.98. So when you're buying beans, stay away from the canned beans. One, they have too much sodium in them and you don't know what other things they're adding to them to preserve them. But two, they're expensive. So getting dried beans is gonna always save you a lot of money. And also with that one, I'm gonna give you a good tip to how to save extra money too, depending on your area. And 3-pound bag of onions, $2.24. 1-pound bag of mini bell peppers, $2.88. 12-ounce frozen California style mixed vegetables, which is cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots, is $1 at Walmart. Like you can stock up on those, and that's a real good thing that you can go to have stir fries. You can throw them in soups, or you can just have roasted veggies and potatoes. 12-ounce bag of mixed veggies, 58 cents. And this is carrots, peas, and green bean mix. 8-count frozen corn is $1.95. And 3-pound bag of apples, $5.84. And so all of that came to $46.60. And most of those things will actually last you for the entire month. So here's a good way to, when your carrots, your onions, your bell peppers, when you're buying things like that, chop them up the day you buy them and just go ahead and throw them in a freezer Ziploc bag and store them in the freezer and just use them for when you need them. You don't have to keep them fresh, and 10-pound bag of carrots will probably last you majority of the month. So between carrots, rice, and beans, you're gonna have enough food to eat for the whole month long. Now, here's a quick thing that you can do if it's available in your area with your beans, things like that. What I used to do when I was in Dallas, I would go to different ethnic markets, such as, what was the name of it? I can't remember the name of it right offhand, but it was one of them was a Mexican store, supermarket, Fiesta. That's the name of it. So I used to go to Fiesta, I used to go to Asian markets, and I used to go to Indian markets. And I would stock up on beans there because they're so much cheaper. One of the other good things is if you have Aldi, or if you have a Dollar General, dollar store, or Big Lots, you can buy beans there, and most of them now have started incorporating a frozen food section too, so you can get frozen vegetables there for under $1. Those are all good ways to just get in your fruits and your vegetables for a very economical price without breaking the bank. And so I hope that helped you. And try this out. Just try out $50 and try it out for the week, and see how long the food actually lasts for you. And then you see also what things do you need to eat. As you probably noticed, I didn't put any fresh produce on there, such as greens and things like that. Stuff like that, I don't recommend buying in bulk. I say just go and buy it at the day that you know you want it. So if you know tomorrow you want to eat spinach, go buy spinach today or tomorrow and then cook it then. That way you're not wasting a lot of money with produce going bad, especially if you buy everything for once a month and then it's sitting in the back of the fridge and you forgot about it, and then you feel like, oh man, I'm wasting all this money. So I hope that helped you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Ciao.